gonna be eating chicken today. Okay, so I'm gonna put pepper over the chicken. Chicken is good with pepper. Really good. It's awesome. Okay. It smells bad. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this piece of chicken right here. Now that's good. Okay. Now I'm gonna eat this piece. Alright, so I finish eating this one. I wish I was stuffing them all in my mouth because it's so good. Yeah. Okay. Now, I just ate that piece. Okay. So, I'm gonna finish eating this piece and then I'm gonna eat another one. Just focus on the chicken. Don't focus on me. Focus on the chicken. This was more for my supper. I had peas, like, noodles right there. Right now we're focusing on the chicken. Remember, don't kill chickens. They're no abuse. Okay. Now, I'm eating this piece of chicken. Put more pepper on it. It doesn't have much pepper. This thing will work. There we go. That piece of chicken. There. This is so good. So yummy. It's so yummy. And I'm gonna eat this piece of chicken right here. So good. It's so good. I came out of that microwave right there. You see it? Came out of that microwave right there. Which makes it even better. It's just awesome. Awesome chicken. Yeah. This piece right here. Yeah. It is so wonderful. See how good that chicken is? It is just wonderful. Now, alright. This piece right here. Yeah. Okay. This chicken is just awesome, so awesome, like really awesome. I'm not kidding. Doesn't that look like good chicken? Awesome. Now, I have the things in here to wash it all down. But I need to get water in it. So just hold on a minute. Let me get water in it. Look at that water right inside there. Hey, I'm gonna wash it all down. Some more chicken to wash it down. Okay, that's me eating chicken. Now the chicken is going to say goodbye. Say bye, chicken. Bye.